Hello, welcome back to my channel. Getting a verified PayPal account in Ghana is very tedious and very hectic. Sometimes your application doesn't go through, especially when you want to link your Ghana card or your passport to your PayPal. You get declined. Today, I am your solution. Kindly stick with me to the end of the video as I tell you what to do in order to get a verified PayPal account right here in Ghana. In case you are in Nigeria, you can stick with me because it's going to benefit you too. So now I taught you how to create a PayPal, and most of you were complaining about the region, the country to use. And sometimes when you use other countries and you are linking the card, have challenges. Sometimes PayPal don't accept it. Okay, so I came up with a solution. Since most of my friends live in the diaspora, like Saudi, Dubai, Qatar, USA, UK, Canada. Okay, so you can let your friends create a PayPal account for you. All you have to do is give them your details, your email account, the password, and I'll advise you create a new email for this, a new email account for this, especially if you don't trust your friend. But because of this, since you trust me or you believe in me, I'll be leaving a WhatsApp group in the link in the description below. All you have to do is just join the group and make your request known. I need a PayPal account, and I'm going to assist you get a PayPal account for yourself. Each and everywhere you find yourself, whether Ghana, Nigeria, anywhere you find yourself where your country don't permit you to have eligible or verified PayPal account, I'm going to assist you get your own PayPal account. Yes, so if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, hit the notification, and leave in the comment section. Type in the comment section it was helpful because I'm going to assist you get your own verified PayPal account. Thank you.